Hi, I'm Laura, and I work in the legal division at Consumer Affairs. Many New Yorkers turn to employment agencies for help finding a job, but before you do, here are a few tips to remember. First, only use a licensed employment agency. If something goes wrong, you'll be better protected if you're using a licensed agency. Licensed agencies must post a bond and have a criminal background check. And, of course, follow all government rules and regulations. Check to see if an employment agency is licensed through Instant License Check on our website, nyc.gov, or by calling 311. Once you've selected a licensed agency, ask for a job description in writing. Employment agencies must describe all available jobs in writing, and the descriptions must include the employer's name and address, how much you'll get paid, how many hours you'll have to work, and the total charge for using the agency. If an employment agency promises to guarantee you a job, walk away. No one can make that promise, which is why it's illegal. Here are some other illegal practices. An employment agency can't refer you to a job that pays less than the minimum wage or does not pay overtime. And it can't ask you about your nationality, marital status, age, sexual preference, or the number of children you have. When it's time to sign the contract, make sure you are given a copy of the full contract. Read it carefully before you sign. Make sure that everything you and the employment agency agreed to is covered in the written contract. You can download a model employment agency contract from our website to see what a contract should include. For most jobs, employment agencies are not allowed by law to charge you a fee until after they've gotten you a job. There are a few exceptions where a fee is allowed up front, only for a job as a mechanic or as a domestic, household, manual, agricultural, or industrial worker. But even for those jobs, if they don't find you one or you change your mind before they do, they must give you a full refund. There are also limits to how much an agency can charge depending upon the type of employment and salary. Be sure to get a receipt. You can download a model employment agency receipt from our website. If you have questions about fees, call 311 for more information. If you are charged illegal fees or the employment agency doesn't find you a job and won't give you a refund, file a complaint at nyc.gov or by calling 311. To learn more, download our guides to employment agencies, which is available in English, Spanish, Russian, Hindi, Haitian Creole, traditional Chinese, Bengali, and Korean. Just visit nyc.gov and search employment agencies. And remember to file a complaint if you have any problems.